Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you button crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start. Today video. Viewers, today so friends, I will show you some beautiful and easy button craft idea. Buttons are small, but we can make many creative things with them. You can choose all buttons from shirts, coats and bags. Let's start with our first idea. First idea is a button flower card. Take a piece of colored paper, glue 3 or 4 buttons in the shape of a flower. Now draw a small stem and leaves with a green marker. You can beautiful flower card. Instead, you can give this card to your friends, and family and viewers. And the second idea is a button bookmark. Take a paper clip and one button, glue the button on the top of the clip. Now your cute bookmark is ready. You can use it while reading for your books. And friends, and viewers, I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.